واش فامي صافي عليكم كلشي بخير مرتاحين وهداك المهم نتمنى تكونوا بخير. المهم ولي بصحه حسانه على راسي في الدار عاوتاني كاين لا حلاق لا والو باقي ما زعمتش على الحلاق تتصفر القضيه شويه. المهم اليوم السيونس ان شاء الله غادا تكون ديال الارمز اللي هي البيسيبس والتريسيبس هما هادو غنبارطاجيها معكم اليوم ان شاء الله. نتمنى تكون شي سيونس تكون زوينه وبيان سور غتكون سيونس زوينه حيت لاصال اصلا شبعانه موتيفاسيون على الباب ديالها بوحدو كيموتيفيك. انا نوري لكم دابا. المهم تلقاو لداخل بيس. المهم هي ديال كيف العاده اسوسياسيون روبيو وبيناتنا راه الباب ديالها كيموتيفيك. دابا واش بيناتنا كاين الموتيفاسيون ولا ما كايناش؟ من الدخله كاين الموتيفاسيون. انا ما بغيتش تريني وصافي.
Capo, 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 capo,
To the gang, we done made a team. Glock come with a laser beam. Lay them down, I ain't playing around when I'm in your town, but I'm off the lean. Like subtitles, I be on the scene. With this block work, I'm getting major cream. Like yo. I see them peeping my swag. I see them peeping my bag. Like this, that shit they never had. Like whoa. Pride that all up in my joggers. All of these rappers are really my kids, cause I birthed them and they call me father. Be a hoe. The streets be talking, they know. They know you wrote all them names in your statements and they know you told on your bro. For the street shit I bees with. Glock 4-5 for the bullshit. If I ain't got it, then my brother do. He'll hit a nigga and his mother too. Savage shit, I take your girl and pipe her right. I ain't bagging shit. These town niggas be clown niggas. Mac 10 a tray pound nigga. Swag drippy, watch your sauce leaking. I'm in the building like floor seats. I need it all, yeah. Money and bitches and flows. Only by designer clothes. Dripping from my head to toe. I want it all, yeah. All of this money I blow, I get it back from the snow. Whip it up to the you know, I need it all. Never care what a hater say. Hammer bang like an 808. Shoot him with it all in his tummy and a hot bullet burn fat away. Dump the body, he a castaway. Just so I'm sure when he hit the water, I aim back and I blast away. When he got to him, he ain't have a face. Closed casket, basket case. Cause I get to work like I rob late. With a hammer out, I take dinner plates. What's an L? I never heard about it and I stay high like car mileage. Work tucked in a car part, so if they want the work, they take the car apart. Name a nigga my age or younger that rap like me, I got the hunger. Barred up, just shots here, I'm not talking drinks. Swiffy here, yes I need every last penny. I'm stacking my cream, Ben and Jerry. Niggas is quick to go hate on the swag and the flow cause they know I got plenty. I rap circles round new niggas, chop them down like you nigga. Flow sick, I got the flu nigga, my team spitting on you niggas. I need it all, yeah. Money and bitches and flows, only by designer clothes. Dripping from my head to toe, I want it all, yeah.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you never. always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely,